Part 1, Introduction and Overview of OldTown White Coffee's Business Model Canvas. Hello and welcome. In this session, we will discuss the business model canvas analysis of OldTown White Coffee. OldTown White Coffee is one of Malaysia's most recognized coffee brands. The company is not only selling coffee. It has built a business model that combines cafe experiences, retail products, franchising, digital channels, and Malaysian coffee heritage. To understand OldTown's business strength, we need to look at how its model works as a whole. This is where the business model canvas, or BMC, becomes useful. The BMC helps us analyze 9 core building blocks of a business. These include customer segments, value propositions, channels, customer relationships, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnerships, and cost structure. For OldTown White Coffee, its key strength lies in its ability to connect 2 worlds. The first is the heritage world of Ipoh White Coffee, which carries nostalgia, culture, and local identity. The second is the modern cafe world, which serves the lifestyle needs of today's customers. For example, customers can enjoy nasi lemak, curry noodles, toast, and white coffee at an OldTown cafe. At the same time, customers can also buy OldTown instant white coffee from supermarkets, convenience stores, or e-commerce platforms. This means OldTown does not rely on only one sales channel. This model gives OldTown an important advantage. When customers do not have time to visit a cafe, they can still enjoy OldTown products at home. When customers want a social experience, they can visit the cafe. When customers are overseas, OldTown's retail products can still carry Malaysian coffee culture into international markets. In this analysis, we will examine how each BMC block contributes to OldTown's competitive position. We will also look at how the Value Proposition Canvas, or VPC, explains the fit between customer needs and OldTown's offerings. In simple terms, OldTown succeeds because it does not only sell products. It sells taste, experience, consistency, trust, and heritage. These are the core themes we will explore across the 5 parts of this lecture. Part 2, Customer Segments and Value Propositions. Now, we move to the first 2 BMC blocks, Customer Segments and Value Propositions. Customer segments refer to the specific groups of people a business aims to serve. For OldTown White Coffee, the customer base is broad. It includes middle-income families, young professionals, students, retail shoppers, tourists, health-conscious urban customers, and overseas consumers. OldTown's strength lies in its ability to serve different customer groups with the same brand, while allowing each group to use the brand in different situations. For example, families may visit OldTown for weekend meals. Young professionals may use the cafe as a casual place for work discussions. Students may choose OldTown because the environment is comfortable for studying, the food is affordable, and the space is suitable for group discussions. Beyond the cafe, retail shoppers buy OldTown instant white coffee because they want a consistent coffee taste at home. Tourists may see OldTown as part of the Malaysian cultural experience. For overseas consumers, OldTown can represent nostalgia and a connection to Malaysian coffee heritage. Next, let us look at the value propositions. A value proposition answers one important question: why do customers choose OldTown instead of other competitors? The answer lies in a combination of several elements. First, OldTown offers authentic Ipoh white coffee associated with Malaysian heritage. This is not just a drink. It is a local taste symbol that already carries emotional value in the customer's mind. Second, OldTown offers an affordable cafe menu. This matters because customers can enjoy a cafe experience without paying the higher prices often associated with some international cafe brands. Third, OldTown's cafe atmosphere is suitable for many purposes. It can be a family dining place, a break area for office workers, a study space for students, or a casual meeting location. Fourth, OldTown's retail products are widely available. This expands its value proposition from an in-cafe experience to an at-home experience. Fifth, halal certification strengthens customer trust, especially among Muslim customers in Malaysia and international markets. Strategically, OldTown's value proposition can be summarized into 3 points: heritage taste, convenient access, and consistent experience. This combination allows Old Town to remain relevant to both traditional customers and modern lifestyle customers. Part 3, Channels, Customer Relationships, and Revenue Streams. In this third part, we will discuss 3 important blocks: channels, customer relationships, and revenue streams. Channels refer to how Old Town delivers its products and interacts with customers. Old Town uses a combination of physical, retail, digital, and international channels. The clearest physical channel is its network of franchise cafés. These cafés act as the main face of the Old Town brand. This is where customers experience the ambience, service, food, drinks, and overall brand promise directly. The second channel is supermarkets, retail stores, and convenience stores. Through these channels, Old Town instant white coffee can be purchased by daily consumers. This is important because it positions Old Town not only as a cafe brand, but also as an FMCG brand. The third channel is digital platforms such as Shopee, Lazada, GrabFood, and Foodpanda. These channels serve modern customers who want convenience, speed, and flexibility. Customers do not need to visit the cafe. They can order food and beverages directly from home or the office. Next, let us look at customer relationships. Old Town builds customer relationships through friendly service, loyalty programs, seasonal promotions, new menu launches, and social media engagement. This matters because cafe customers do not only buy food. They also evaluate the atmosphere, service quality, cleanliness, consistency, and overall experience. For example, customers who receive good service are more likely to return. Customers who receive loyalty rewards also have an additional reason to choose Old Town over competitors. Now, let us look at revenue streams. Old Town has several sources of revenue. First, cafe sales from food, beverages, and desserts. Second, royalties from franchise operations. Third, retail product sales through supermarkets and e-commerce platforms. Fourth, brand licensing and international distribution. Fifth, seasonal promotions, bundle sales, corporate catering, and potential digital subscription models. This diversified revenue base is important. It reduces reliance on only one income source. If cafe sales slow down, retail products can still contribute. If customers do not dine in, food delivery can still generate sales. This is Old Town's commercial strength. It does not only have a recognizable product. It also has a revenue structure that is more resilient to market changes. Part 4, Key Resources, Key Activities, Key Partnerships, and Cost Structure. In this fourth part, we will examine the operating components behind Old Town White Coffee's success. First, let us look at key resources. Old Town's key resources include its brand, exclusive coffee recipe, production facilities, franchise system, skilled employees, distribution network, intellectual property, and social reputation. Among these, the brand and recipe are especially important assets. The Old Town brand creates trust. When customers see the Old Town name, they already have certain expectations about taste, price, ambience, and quality. The coffee recipe also forms the basis of differentiation. If the taste could be easily copied, the brand's advantage would become weaker. Second, let us look at key activities. Old Town's key activities include managing cafe operations, producing instant white coffee, maintaining quality control, running marketing campaigns, expanding franchises, developing new menu items, and strengthening digital initiatives. Consistency is critical in a franchise business. Customers who eat at one Old Town outlet expect a similar experience at another outlet. Therefore, training, operating procedures, quality audits, and franchise support become critical activities. Third, let us look at key partnerships. Old Town depends on several strategic partners. These include franchise partners, coffee and food suppliers, supermarkets, convenience stores, e-commerce platforms, food delivery platforms, international distributors, hotels, airlines, and corporate customers. These partners help Old Town expand market reach without doing everything by itself. For example, franchise partners support outlet expansion. Supermarkets support retail sales. Food delivery platforms improve access to busy customers. International distributors help the brand enter overseas markets. Fourth, let us look at the cost structure. OldTown's main costs include raw materials, employee salaries, outlet rental, maintenance, marketing, logistics, franchise support, digital technology, and research and development. A major challenge in the food and beverage industry is tight profit margins. Raw material costs can increase. Rental costs in strategic locations can be high. Labor costs and operating expenses must also be controlled without weakening the customer experience. Therefore, OldTown's success does not depend only on sales. It also depends on cost discipline. If costs are not controlled, prices may need to increase. If prices increase too much, customers may switch to competitors. This is why the BMC is useful. It helps us see the business in a balanced way. We are not only looking at revenue. We are also looking at the operating capabilities that support long-term growth. Part 5, Value Proposition Canvas, Strategic Recommendations, and Conclusion. In the final part, we will look at the Value Proposition Canvas, Strategic Recommendations, and overall conclusion. The Value Proposition Canvas helps us understand the fit between customers and OldTown's offering. It examines 3 areas in the customer profile: customer jobs, customer pains, and customer gains. For customer jobs, OldTown customers want to enjoy affordable cafe meals, experience authentic coffee, buy convenient products for home consumption, and find a comfortable place to study, socialize, or discuss work. For customer pains, they face limited time, the need for consistent taste, price sensitivity, crowded outlets during peak hours, and limited healthier beverage choices. For customer gains, they want a comfortable cafe environment, affordable prices, Malaysian cultural taste, halal assurance, digital access, attractive promotions, and products that can be enjoyed anywhere. Now, let us match this with OldTown's value map. OldTown's products and services include cafe beverages, full meals, instant white coffee, delivery-friendly menus, gift sets, seasonal limited editions, and healthier drink options. Its pain relievers include competitive pricing, consistent quality, wide retail and digital access, food delivery integration, staff training, and strategic outlet locations. Its gain creators include authentic Ipoh taste, a comfortable cafe atmosphere, loyalty rewards, seasonal innovation, halal certification, and lifestyle collaborations. Based on this analysis, there are several strategic recommendations for OldTown. First, OldTown can strengthen its health-conscious customer segment through low-sugar, low-calorie, and plant-based options. This is important because urban customers are increasingly focused on health. Second, OldTown can strengthen its premium value proposition through limited edition drinks, exclusive gift sets, and a more modern cafe experience. Third, OldTown can improve its digital channels through a mobile application that supports pre-ordering, loyalty rewards, personalized promotions, and delivery integration. Fourth, OldTown can build new revenue streams such as coffee subscriptions, corporate packages, and seasonal gift sets. Fifth, OldTown can expand partnerships with hotels, airlines, universities, and lifestyle brands to strengthen its regional image. In conclusion, OldTown White Coffee has a strong business model because it combines heritage, franchising, FMCG, digital access, and customer experience. However, future challenges remain. Operating costs are rising. Competition is becoming stronger. Customer behavior is also changing. To remain relevant, OldTown must continue to innovate without losing its original identity. The real strength of OldTown is not only its white coffee. It is its ability to turn local taste into a business model that can grow across Malaysia, Asia, and international markets.